Debs 2021, and the UK has recently gone back into full lockdown, so obviously what I need to make is some banana bread, because, you know, haven't you all had enough of banana bread already? This is a 3-ingredient banana bread, and I was inspired by another recipe, and I will put that in the link below, link to their recipe. So I'm using 5 bananas. I've got 4 that I had out the freezer. Look, this banana doesn't look particularly nice to eat, but it's perfect for banana bread. Even a bit more black would be fine. Let's peel it off. So my 3 ingredients are 5 bananas, just gonna mash that one, a tin of condensed milk, and some self-raising flour. The original recipe was a bit cheeky. He added a 4th ingredient to his 3-ingredient banana bread, which was cinnamon. I reckon it'd be quite nice with a bit of vanilla in, but I'm literally just gonna make the 3-ingredient version right now. So mash up your bananas. Bananas are perfect for putting in the freezer. You can freeze them in the skins, you can freeze them, you can take them out and freeze them in a bag in chunks. You can even freeze them like already mashed if you want to. They might go a bit like kind of more liquidy, but that's absolutely fine, just throw it in. So that's my 5th banana in there. To that I'm going to add my tin of condensed milk, which is about 400 grams. Jayden wants to know if you can come in and help me, so yeah, come and do some mixing, Jay. So this is my 400 grams of condensed milk. I've been looking through my cupboards, checking what's in there, what needs using, and this was one of the things that needs using soon. So when I saw this recipe, I was like, I know exactly what I'm going to do this afternoon. We've been doing homeschooling earlier. We've all just about survived the first day. You're right, Jay?
Yeah.
Right. That is all in there. Do you want to give that a mix? And I'll add some flour. So we need 2.5 cups of flour, and in the ingredients down below I will include what that is in grams if you don't have cups. Also please don't forget to like and subscribe our video, because we're just a family at home making videos, but those likes and subscribes really mean a lot to us, and it's great. So right, stop a second. Right, 2.5 cups, Joe. So right, I've got my oven preheating at 180 degrees C, which is 350 Fahrenheit or gas mark 4. There's 1 cup. Okay, I'll go slow with the flour, yeah? There's 2 cups. This is my half. Yep. And I have got my silicone loaf tin. If you're using a metal tin, make sure that you line it with some paper, because I think this recipe is a bit liable to stick. We're going to cook this for 45 to 50 minutes until a skewer comes out clean. And then when you take it out of the oven, you need to just leave it in the tin for 20 to 30 minutes, because that way it will be more likely to come out of the tin whole. Apparently it can be a bit of a fickle mixture, and if you just leave it that little bit of resting time, any bits of the mixture that aren't totally cooked when you take it out of the oven will finish cooking in the heat of the tin. Right, I think we're almost there. So we'll get the spatula. Get that off there. Okay. We're going to pop it into our tin, and then we're just going to use the spatula to smooth off the top so that it's fairly flat all over. If you haven't got self-raising flour, you can use plain flour and add 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder and a pinch of salt, and that will do the job for you. Hopefully there won't be as many flour shortages this time around. So yeah, we just push that flat all over. That's filled up our tin beautifully. I use 5 decent sized bananas. If you've got small ones, stick in an extra one. I don't see why it couldn't take a little bit of extra or a little bit less banana if that's what you've got. So this is a great recipe for using what you've got. Right, I'm going to stick this in the oven and back in a minute to show you how it looks when it's done. Okay, so here is our beautiful loaf that has sat in the tin for probably half an hour, maybe longer. It's really risen. I'm really impressed with that, considering it didn't have any eggs or anything. It feels like it's quite dense, so let's cut into it and have a look. Here we go. I can never cut straight. Let's give it a go. Oh yeah, you can see all the banana flecks. That's really nice. Right, who's gonna be my taste tester?
Me. Oh.
That's okay. It feels a bit denser than another banana recipe I usually use, banana loaf recipe. But let's give it a taste. And so, Jay.
Thank you. Thank you. I like it.
It's sweet. It's quite dense, so you probably don't want to eat loads of it, but it tastes delicious. You can put some vanilla in, a bit of cinnamon, chocolate chips. I would say it's a winner, especially if you've got excess bananas, you've got a can of condensed milk in the cupboard. Give it a go. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye. Bye.